The Apevia Aurora-WH gaming PC case features a modern design with tempered glass and mesh panels, providing a stylish and functional build. With 6 pre-installed 120mm PWM ARGB fans, the case offers extensive cooling options and vibrant lighting, with over 300 RGB modes. The top panel includes 2 USB 3.0 ports and HD audio jacks, along with versatile water cooling support for optimal performance. Installation is straightforward with screw-in PCI-E slots and ample space for multiple hard drives, accommodating extensive storage needs. A magnetic dust filter on the top panel helps maintain a clean interior, making maintenance easy and efficient. The case supports large graphics cards and CPU coolers, offering flexibility for high-performance gaming setups.